Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you're doing well. So today I've got for you my literally 4-minute curls. It's just the easiest way that I tend to curl my hair these days, and yeah, it's my go-to curls. It's kind of like a more, I don't know how to describe it. I use this DYSON AIRWRAP hairdryer, and then I use this BABYLISS wand for the curlers. For oil, I tend to stick to this KÉRASTASE ELIXIR oil for my hair. It's worked so well on it. Like, it used to be so dry until I started to put this on. And I'm also using this FREIDA FRIZZ. But yeah, I'll link everything down below. If you have any questions, or if you'd like to see anything else like with the DYSON AIRWRAP, please let me know. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you soon. So I've just got out the shower. My hair is a little damp still, especially at the roots. So my step one for the hair that I'm going to create is to put this FREIDA FRIZZ Miraculous Recovery Repairing Cream Serum in my hair. It's kind of like a leave-in treatment. I literally like to just put 2 pumps of this onto my hair. I tend to keep it towards the ends, and then I'll run it through the top just like that. And my step 2 is I like to put this KÉRASTASE oil in the hair when my hair is damp like this, and when it's also dry, just because it gives it a nice finish as well. But to be honest, I think this is like a heat protectant as well. Correct me if I'm wrong, because this was expensive and I wanted like an all-in-one. But yeah, I literally just put 1 pump like this, and again run it through the ends of the hair. So whilst that sits in, I'm actually going to brush it through. I always use the Tangle teaser. Now, when I've got this DYSON AIRWRAP, I will usually have used this because it comes with like a few heads that you can put on it, but currently I've got some BeautyWorks extension tapes in, and they recommend only to use like a brush like this. So that's what I've just been sticking to, but it's been working very well either way. So whilst all my hair has fallen out because I live in Dubai, so if you didn't know, like, Dubai water is so bad for your hair. Over time my hair has started to fall out and it's become a lot more dry. So recently, as Jad has noticed that his hair is also falling out, we invested in a shower filter, and I haven't noticed a difference just yet. But when we went to Lebanon and I was washing my hair every day, well, not every day, but whenever I washed my hair there, I noticed that it wasn't dry and it fell out less. The first wash when I got back to Dubai, I was like, oh my god, my hair literally does not hold a curl and it's dry. So yeah, we invested into a shower filter, and hopefully I'll see a difference soon. But yeah, the next step, okay, so I'm going to start to dry it. It's been a life changer for drying my hair, and yeah, I really like it. I can also do a tutorial on the curls and the blowout and everything like that, but for me this is literally my go-to. It literally takes probably about 3 minutes to do my hair. So yeah, I can do another tutorial on this if you like, but for now I'm just going to blow dry it. Once my hair is fully dry, why does it look so yellow on camera? Oh my god. Is it yellow? Now comes literally the quickest hack you will ever probably see to curl your hair. So what you're going to do is, because I've only got 1 bubble, usually I would separate it like this, but because I've only got 1 bubble, then I'm going to have to do it like this. So you want to take it up into a high ponytail or pigtail and pop it into the bubble. Okay, so once it's in a high pigtail like this, you then want to brush it through and take a little section. And the key is to go outwards, like so, so the curl will fall this way, like outwards. This will make it look a little bit more voluminous and like blowout kind of style, rather than inwards, which makes it a little bit more like, I don't know, I've never done it that way, so I don't know. But I think it gives it less volume. You want to keep hold of this for about 10 to 12 seconds, and you can just like touch the curl on the curler and see whether the heat is coming through. And once it's out, hold it like so and let it drop. So once that's all curled on this side, you would obviously then move on to this side, but because, oh my god, why have I tied this so tight? Oh. I need to let that bit drop, but I'm not going to brush it through, I'm just going to let it cool down whilst it's in the full curls like this. Bring this one up to a bubble, don't tie it around 4 times. So it's only recently that I've learned how to do this, because I always thought I was going to burn myself because I'm so rubbish at doing anything with my left hand. But I've learned it. You wrap it round outwards. Now probably everyone's like, oh my god, like I've been doing that since I was born, but for me that was the hardest thing. Because as well, like I always used to confuse myself, like, is this going outwards or is it still going to go inwards? Like it didn't make sense to me. But doing it this way, with the pigtails, and you can separate everything like that, is so much easier to do the hair. Wow, it's so long to just sit here and wait, isn't it, and quiet. Usually I've got like Netflix on or YouTube, but when you're in the quiet, it's just like, oh my god, what do I say? Out, and as you can see on this side, I've just fixed this up a tiny little bit, which I'll do on this side now to show you. So I'll take the front and I'll just run over that again in the same direction, so it drops, and I'll typically tend to like run over the top of the hair. A lot of people will tend to leave it like this for a few hours to let the curls cool down properly. Literally the easiest thing in the world, and it probably took me about 4 minutes 24 seconds to do all of my hair, which is insane. But yeah, these curls will literally last in my hair for about 3 days now, and then I'll let it soak like a chip pan for the next 3 days, and then I'll wash it. But yeah, very happy with it. And oh, the curler that I'm using is the BABYLISS one. My curler that I brought with me decided to break, so I just got the cheapest one that I could find. It might be something to do with Keratin Smooth. I'll try and find the link for it. But yeah, it's worked a dream on my hair. If you'd like me to do a tutorial on the DYSON AIRWRAP curls, then let me know. Because since I got my extensions in, the curls actually last a lot longer. Obviously with the bye and the heat, like curls just literally tend to just drop straight away, which is why I think my hair is being so dry and frizzy like for the past year and a half since I've been here. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye!